G'day guys, Mark here from AU Scanners Australia. Whether you're a motoring enthusiast or a mobile mechanic out in the field and require full diagnostic support, here at AU Scanners we've got a wide range of diagnostic tools, OBD readers that may be able to assist you. Just for today's exercise, I've got a little iLink400 here. I've set this up for holding use. This vehicle I'm currently sitting in has got some oil pressure concerns, so rather than connecting an oil pressure gauge to the engine, making a bit of a mess, right here in the driver's seat, I can actually inspect it now. Here's a quick little video to show you how. Cheers. So guys, as you can see, pretty easy task to do, something you can do in your own environment. Hassle-free, mess-free, you've got all live data on your scan tool right in front of you. For more information or prices on this product, head over to our website, the link's just below. Thanks for watching and we'll see you again next time. Cheers.